Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, each and everyone. A very happy new year to each and every students present in this class. So, in the previous lecture, we have done the memory drawing of Christmas. Yes, we have drawn the memory drawing of Christmas, and in this lecture, I am going to teach you how to make a portrait of freedom fighter. Yes, we are going to make a portrait of freedom fighter. So before starting with this, I'm going to give you see a small idea of what we are going to do. So this is a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi. This is my drawing book. Just look at the size of the portrait. Yes, it is suitable to the drawing page. It is not too much big. It's not too much small. It is accurate to the page size. Yes, it is suitable according to the page size. So now what we are going to do here, we have taken our drawing page. Yes, and uh, let's begin with this. But before starting with this, I'm going to give you a small idea how to construct the face. Okay, so this is the idea. So let's begin with this. Okay, here I have turned the page. I'm just turning the camera. Just I want each and everyone to pay attention to this class, or else you will not able to understand what I'm teaching. Yes. So let's begin with this. I'm using a pencil first. Now just look at this. How you're going to do? There are certain things how you can draw a face. So first basic element of drawing we are going to do is we are going to use a circle. Yes, I hope each and everyone can see this. Yes, it is visible. Just wait a minute. So just look at this. This is how you're going to do. First use a circle, then make the jaw line, draw the eye line, give it a half, divide it into half. This is your nose line and this is your mouth line. Okay, so now let's begin with this. Okay, if you have any another mobile, you can use you can just Google, and you can what you can do is you can just take out a picture of Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh sketch. So here I have taken this, and just look at this. Here I have taken a mobile, and here I have got a picture of Bhagat Singh. So now what I'm going to do is see. First, I have just what I have done is I've made the circle, I've made the jaw line, and I have made the eye lines and nose and mouth line. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just placing the mobile over here so that you can see it properly. So now I'm going to make the hat line. So just look at this from where it's starting. So this is the eyebrow line. Okay, so this is the eyebrow line. From here the hat is going to start. So let's begin with this. It goes over here and it ends over here in this way. Okay, and then what you have to do is start with the eyebrow. Okay, first start with the eyebrow. So here this is the way where we are going to leave some space, and here from this way we are going to start draw this. Okay, okay, just look at this. This is how you're going to draw the eyebrows. Okay, then we are going to go to the nose part. We are going to make a circle over here, and here we are going to make the nose in this way. Okay, and here goes the nose. We are going to draw the nose in this way. Okay, then from this part, okay, we are going to make the mustache. Yes, We're going to make the mustache over here. In this way. Okay, we have made the mustache over here. And now we are going to make the lips. So here comes the lips. You have to observe the picture carefully, and according to that you have to make this. You can make the portrait. And then you have to start making this. According to this, you have to draw the jaws. Yes, according to this, you can make the jaw lines, how it's going on. Okay, so this is how it is. So you can just start making the detailing. So in this, the mustache is very much more dark. Okay, so this is how you're going to make it. Use the pencil very lightly. Okay, in some parts you have to use the pencil very lightly. For making the darker tone, you can use the pencil dark. Yes, for making the eyebrows, for making the mustache, you can use the pencil. Press the pencil so that you can use it much more dark way. Yes, in this way you can do it. And for making the hairs, yes, so just look at this here. From here, this is the hair. Making the hair, I'm going to use the pencil in the dark way. पेंसिल को ज्यादा दबा कर यूज करो. Yes, in this way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the ears. So for making the ears, I'm yes, this is the way how you're going to. I'm using the pencil shading. Yes, you can also do it in pencil shading if you want, or if you want to use the colors, you can use the colors also. So this is how you're going to do it. Then coming to the down part, follow the shadings in this way, the shadows of the nose and the eyes. So now keep in mind that wherever your this nose line is there, from this part your eyes will be starting from this part. Okay, so this is how we are going to start with the eyes. So just look at this. Yes, this way. This is how you're going to make the eyes. Yes, this is how you're going to make the eyes, and here comes the eyeball. Yes, so here we have made the eyes, and now we are going to shade the eyeballs. Just look at this. Yes, just look at the eyes. In this way you are going to do it. Yes, this is how you're going to make the eyes. Keep in mind, whenever you're drawing, there should be three tones in your drawing: light tone, middle tone, and the dark tone. Yes, if all these three tones are there present in your drawing, automatically your drawing becomes much more attractive. Okay, so just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. Yes, this is the eyelash over here. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it, and then you can show some darker tone in this way. This is how you're going to add the shades in this. Okay, this is how you're going to show the shades, and with this your where this is how you can show the 3dness, the shades of the face using this is called hatching technique. This technique is called hatching technique. Yes, hatching, and I'm using cross hatching also for showing the shades. I'm using hatching and cross hatching. Yes, so this is how you're going to do it. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Yes, this is called hatching, and giving it a cross design, this is called cross hatching. This is called cross hatching. Yes, this is how you can do it. Just look at this. Here, this is the lips. So this is how you're going to do it. You can show the depth by using the hatching and the cross hatching technique. So just look at this. Yes, this is called cross hatching technique. In this way you can do it. Just look at this. I hope each and everyone is understanding how to do it. This is the shade which is coming on the down part of this. And now we are going to move for making the hat. Yes, first we are going to make the ears in this way. Okay, this way we are going to make the ears. We have completed making the ears. We are going to just highlight each and everything properly. Yes, this is how you're going to highlight this. So this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. After doing this from here, this is your neck part. Yes, this is your neck. This is the neck where we are going to start making this. And now here comes the shirt. Yes, this is the shirt part, and here we are going to make the shirt. This is the collar of the shirt. Yes, this was the collar of the shirt in this way. This is the shoulder. Yes, and now what we are going to do is we are going to make the hat. So just look at this. From this part, the hat is going to be in the upper side. So just look at this. This is how we are going to make the hat in this way. And from here, this is the upper part of the hat. Yes, we have made the hat in this way. I think so. It has become much more bigger. You can make it a bit smaller. Okay. In this way. Okay. So we are going to erase this part. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to add the shades in this. Okay. You can use colors. You can do it in pencil shading also if you want. Okay. If you want, you can do it with pencil shading also. Okay. So this is how you're going to add the shades in this. Okay. And this is the hat. Add the shades in this way. Okay. So this is how you're going to add the shades in this. Yes, this is how you're going to add the shades. Yes, so just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. You have to move the pencil according to the shape of the sketch. Yes, here I'm using the hatching technique. Just look at this. Yes, and from in this part where I want to show it in the darker tone, I'm going to use the cross hatching technique over here. Okay, so this is how I'm going to use this and get a proper shade. So just look at this. This is the way how you're going to do it. So this is how you're going to make the shade. Okay, and here comes the shade of the neck. First, I'm using a hatching technique, straight line. Okay, I'm using a straight line, and then I'm going to get the cross hatching with the cross hatching technique. Just look at this. Yes, using this technique, this is how you're going to make the portrait of Bhagat Singh. You can make any portrait of freedom fighter which you like. You can make the portrait of your favorite freedom fighter. Yes, this is how you're going to do it. In this way, you can do it. So this is how you're going to do it. Yes, I hope each and everyone has understood how to make the portrait of your favorite freedom fighter. This is the way how you're going to do it. These are the shades. This is the cross hatching technique. You can use all those techniques and you can do it in this way. You can make the portrait. Yes, I hope each and everyone has understood this technique, how to do it. Yes, this is the way how you're going to do it. Just look at this. This is how you're going to do it. Yes, I hope each and everyone has understood this topic, how to do it.